back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into another product idea specially catering for your holidays. It could be for the Redbubble, for other print-on-demand website as well, but I'm going to be mainly talking about the Redbubble incense because most of the people who are selling are on the Redbubble. It can be applied on a Zazzle as well and on the TeePublic if these products are available, but let's see how it goes. So let's get straight with today's video. Before we go park, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreaty.com, check out the freebie section and download it. And also, we are soon going to starting with an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Simply subscribe to it. Right now it's on whitelist. Once we get started with that, we will going to soon starting with sending you the each and every week in your email inbox exclusive email content regarding making money and so much more. And also one thing I want to tell you guys. Yesterday I asked in my video regarding some tips and tricks if you have for me or anything you want me to cover in the videos. And some people talk about my thumbnail. Now I have been using the same thumbnail template for so many videos, maybe for so many months. I'm be changing my thumbnail for the videos. Maybe something different. Let's see what I'm gonna be publishing it because I've been putting the same thumbnail template for so many months and people are telling me to change it because it's not a good brightness, and I get it. I would be changing it from this video itself. The thumbnail would be different. Let's see what would be the thumbnail. Maybe something like that, or maybe something like that, whatever it is guys. I'm just gonna take a picture and just gonna optimize my thumbnail. Also regarding the brightness of the my video because at the back there is a window and this light is coming from that. Sometimes I'm using the artificial light and sometimes I'm using the natural light that's coming from the window. So it depends on that, and also depending on the cloudy season. Sometimes it's a cloudy season, so I use more of the artificial light. When it's a sunny day, then I use the windows light. So it just varies upon that. I'm still working on the light. I think I really need to change upon it, but I'm changing the thumbnail from today's video. So let's see what it looks like. Yes. Let's talk about the product ideas. Now I have made a bunch of the videos talking about the holiday product ideas, holiday niche ideas, and mainly catering to the holiday seasons to prepare your shop. So I'm going to leave the complete playlist and a bunch of the videos in the card section above if you haven't checked it so far, and you can check it. But today I'm going to be talking about specifically more holiday product ideas which I haven't covered in those videos, and I felt like those products are missing out and we don't want to miss out because this is the last one. We have almost approached to 20th September, so it's the last month, or maybe 21st, whatever, wherever you are living. It would vary according to place, but whatever. It's 20th September, only 10 or 11 days are left for us to finally prep our shops, and this is the last one, so I don't want to leave anything behind. So I'm going to be covering in fast few of the product that I left for the holiday product, and I think that I really want to incorporate them as well for these upcoming holidays to actually make a good amount of money or maybe making some money in general. So let's talk about the first product that I have for you is travel mug. Now you would be thinking, is travel mug would be trending? Yes, because like few days back only, or maybe a month back only, many countries are starting to open up for traveling. And since this is the time of the holiday season, especially the Thanksgiving, people would be traveling to their own country, or maybe to their own city, maybe to their own family, whatever it is, they would be traveling and they would be needing a travel mug. So it could be an amazing gift idea as well, and amazing people can buy it for themselves because holidays are a great season to celebrate, to move, to travel to the places, to visit them, to meet their family members. So they would be needing the traveling mug. And you don't want to leave it because already you are publishing your designs on different products. So why to leave the travel mug behind and leave it like that? So probably utilize it. It's there on the Redbubble as well. I think it's there on the TeePublic as well. I'm not sure if it is not there, guys. I'm not sure, but they have the mug section and the tumbler section, so might be there related to it. Not specifically a travel mug, but this is an amazing one. The second idea that I have for you is all about the tapestries. Tapestries, we do need it because once we are throwing the party for our holidays, we would be needing a tapestry to decorate our wall, to decorate the ceilings, or even to decorate the room or hall wherever we are throwing the party, and we would be needing it. So you could make a Christmas related design, Thanksgiving related design, or simply a Halloween, or could be any New Year party as well. You could make a design related to that, or winter snowy season dedicating to that. you could make a Tipizitry and you could sell it. Now Tipizitry is a high ticket product, so obviously you're gonna make a good amount of profit rather than selling just the sticker. Because one thing I also want to talk to you guys, if you're looking for making more money this Q4, you also need to add the product in your shop that are high-end product, high-ticket products that you could make more dollars selling per product. Like your profit margin is high in these products because the rate of these products are high. Don't think that you're gonna make thousands of dollars just simply selling the stickers. Now I'm not telling that sticker are not worth it, you shouldn't be selling it, I'm not telling that. But of course, think of for a second, like if one product can give you a few cents per sale and another product can give you $5 or $6 per sale, then obviously you need to sell that product very less, which are giving you $5 or $6 per sale to actually make $1,000. So that's the way you could calculate roughly how much products you need, what kind of product you need to incorporate. So don't leave the Tipizitry behind and incorporate it right now. If you haven't done it so far, just push it on. Just turn it on for the Tipizitry as well, or if you want a Jazzle, then you could make a templates for Tipizitries as well. Let's talk about another product idea that I have for you is zipper pouch. Now zipper pouch is not that common, not many people ever think about it, but I think that it's an amazing idea because zipper pouches also could be an amazing one if the people are going back to the school, back to the university, they would be needing a pouch where they can add the different materials like their own supplies, pen and all those kind of stuff. Even if you're traveling, you would be needing a zipper pouch to keep your travel supplies or travel passport, whatever in that zipper pouch as well. Or even if you are in day-to-day schedule, you would be needing a zipper pouch to keep your cosmetics, your beauty products, or even your comb and all the different things in that zipper pouch. So you would be needing it. So why to leave this product behind? Now my main focus is to not to leave any single product behind this upcoming holiday because we don't know which product can get us the sales. Like we would be thinking, oh, stickers will going to sell amazingly well, t-shirt will going to sell amazingly well, but zipper pouch, no one will going to buy that. But you are wrong, guys. You don't know which sale can get you multiple sales or multiple dollars, whatever it is. So don't leave any product behind, utilize it well. Another product idea that I have for you is socks. Now you would be thinking, oh, socks. No, Christmas stockings do sell. Now on the Redbubble, Christmas stocking special category is not there. It just has a socks, but if you are uploading a design on a socks related to the Christmas, related to the Halloween, or related to the winter, Santa Claus, whatever it is, the people are more likely to buy it because socks are an amazing home decor item as well. And also since it's a winter season, so people would be needing the socks for their own purpose as well because they need to wear them in this winter. So don't leave the socks behind. Apply the Christmas designs on the socks as well and start incorporating it, guys. If you see that if any product is left behind in your shop, then just turn it on for the Redbubble. Same for the TeePublic. Same for the Society6. On the Society6, you need to have a different sizes for the particular products. So make those different sizes in the Canva. Or either you can use the Photoshop, Illustrator and make them sizes according to it and start uploading it. On the Jazzle, you just need to go in for each and individual product, make a template and start uploading it. Do it right now, guys. Don't leave it behind. Product idea that I have for you for this particular video is about the phone cases. Now, phone cases, many people do utilize it, some don't utilize. Something that they would be needing a special design for that. If you're uploading a texture, patterns, backgrounds, do optimize it well. iPhone cases and Samsung cases, whatever phone cases will going to sell, guys. Even the laptop cases, laptop covers and all those things will going to sell. So upload it, utilize it well and optimize your design. For especially for the, I want to talk about especially for the iPhone cases because since it's a more kind of like a vertical rather than a horizontal, so you need to optimize your design according to it, especially as a text-based design. Because if your text is coming like this and you're uploading onto the that vertical, for iPhone cases, you need to optimize it according to that. It could come according to that vertical iPhone cases. So you will very well need to optimize your text-based design specifically for that iPhone cases, for Samsung cases, because these are more in vertical dimension. So one thing you also need to make sure, depending on the size and shape of the product, you need to optimize your design. And if you're going with the textures and patterns, then you don't need to do much of it because textures and patterns look amazingly well on every product except the sticker. If you're going with the sticker, then you need to optimize your product. You could make a sticker pack around that particular textures and pattern. For example, if you're having a butterfly textures and you're uploading it, then you could make a 4 or 3 butterflies in one sticker pack and you could incorporate that. But apart from that, if you're having a text-based design, then you really need to be careful with whatever product on which you are uploading your text-based design, and optimize it according to it, because some products are vertical, some products are horizontal, some are vertical, and different kinds of products are there. So do optimize it, do your homework right now depending on your thresholds, and do let me know if you want more holiday product videos. I will be making more because we are only 10 days left with the October, and October would be starting with the Halloween, Thanksgiving, and so on and so forth. So only 10 days are left in the September. So do let me know in the comment section below if you want more videos for the holiday product ideas. But that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.